this gray is the bottom area. You keep it like this. First we will attach the clips. You have multiple clips inside the crate. Let's start with this clip. First open the gray area out. There are these hatches made here. See, inside there is a bit of space. So this gray will fit inside here. You have to push it a bit harder. And make sure it's stuck well. It cannot come out. Okay? Now, similarly, we'll do it for one more. This is the clip. We open it. Then we push it. Okay. Uh-oh. I got it out. Yeah? So this is done. Once more we will see. One clip here. Open this. Push it in this. It's a little hard. You have to press it with both the hands. Yeah? This one is done. Similarly, I have attached all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There might be more clips for a bigger crate. Now, let's do the door. So, here you can see there are holes here. Not these holes, not these. You have to attach it to this hole, this here. So, and there is a small hatch here, right? This is where this black area should be. The lock has to be on this side, see. There and here. Okay. While we hold this with one hand, let's put the other area on the top. Now while putting this, we don't put in this. You have to put it inside this. Not in this, but here. Fine. Make sure that all these edges are together. Okay. So the door is, you can open outside and close it. To open the door, we have to press both of these things together and then open. To lock again, press together, lock. Okay. Now, how do we fix the screws? These are the nuts and bolts which came with the crate. Okay. Open these. These are easy to open with hands. You don't need any screwdriver or anything. Let's put one here from. Just try and put it from down so it's easy to open. See? Just come up here. And then
I also made it up there.
Just lock it up. Okay, make it tight enough, but not too tight because you have to be able to open it with the hands. Okay. Now this is what you fix on all the sides where you have screws. It's not necessary to put all the screws and all the clips. If some are missing, it is alright. We can always lock them with the plastic tags. Here. Okay. Now, the other part is these clips. You have to pick them up. See this properly. You have to pick them up. This is like the old time suitcases. You pick them up, push them, and then lock it. Again here. You pick them up, fix it. See, in this latch, it should fix it in this one. Okay. Here, push it. Okay. Now let's see the other side. Here at the back side there is one. Lift it up, push it here and down. Okay. Here and down. Here and down. Some of them at times is a bit hard to do. Some of them do create a bit of problem. Oh, because this is locked. See, this latch is on the lock. It should be on unlock. Only then the clip will fix. Okay. So once you fix, you can lock it if you want, so that it does not open. Now the other important point is when you give the crate to the airport guys, you need to lock this crate. this is a small thread I have. You should ideally use the plastic tags. Pause it, I'll get the plastic tags.